So right folks, we're doing something very different today. We are testing the customers, which is the top set, Amstrad 900, which we did the other day. So, better put it on Mega Chippie channel. And we're also testing it, we're comparing it to my one here. Now the display doesn't work on it, it's not one with, I've checked it's doing receive properly, I've checked it's transmitting of sorts, but it's the receive we're listening to, because the complaint with the customer set was it was distorted. So all the things I did to that, want to make sure that it isn't distorted, or it's the same as our set. So that's what it's about. So tones in the high position, I'll just check RF gains at full, there we go. Tango 21 test.
21 working.
Right, what I want you to do is to, when you get to the end of the lane, I then want you to pull over onto the petrol station forecourt. We'll do our first comparison over.
Roger that. Are you ready to record from now then?
Yes, I am.
Roger that. I'll forget then. Right, so passing the house and recording.
Roger, I've got a tone control on this one.
Something's not right. Go again.
I said I've got a tone control on this one. Right, it helps if I'm on the aerial and not the test gear.
Yeah, I did say to you you're on the test equipment or the aerial.
Yeah, I didn't hear that, you see.
Right, are you on the aerial?
Yeah, I'm on the aerial now.
Right, so you're going to test your tone control now. I will tell you, we've just pulled into Woody's layout. We're now pulling back out again and heading back up the lane.
Roger.
Alright, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Okay, got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Petrol station over.
Okay, so we've visualised how this one sounds. I'm going to now swap everything over to the other set.
Yeah, just let me park up some stationary, and then you've got a good what's the word?
Yeah, Roger. I'll hang on.
Comparison. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Right, I'm ready to go. You ready to go?
Yeah, absolutely. So that's fine.
Roger.
Right, I'll swap over.
Thought the petrol station were pulling over petrol. No.
Oh, the outside lights have just come on the outside Woodies.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Okay, now we're on the second set, which is my set, over.
Yep, roger that. So what we're doing now, we carry on.
Yeah, I'm now going to go and swap back, but you carry on with your journey whilst I change them over.
Yep, roger that, off we go then.
Right, I'm ready to go. You ready to go?
Yeah, absolutely. So that's fine.
Roger.
Right, I'll swap over. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Okay, now we're on the second set, which is my set, over.
Yep, roger that. So what we're doing now, carry on.
Yeah, I'm now going to go and swap back, but you carry on with your journey whilst I change them over.
Yep, roger that, off we go then.
Right, I'm back on.
Roger that. Just passing the county council depot thing.
Yep, roger on that.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill. Let's go down in towards Willisford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill, and I'll just say for the viewers, Mr. Chippie's going to stop at Scratchy Corner, and we're going to do the test with the 2 radios again.
No, I thought we was going to stop at the crossing, aren't we? Lancaster crossing.
No. Right. Mark thinks we're stopping at the crossing, but I think you said Scratchy Corner, just in the village, yeah?
Yeah, I did, Roger. It was the other crossing which we talked about.
Okay.
Yeah, Rossby. Right, we're just coming into Willisford now.
Roger, let me know when you're stationary.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now stationary at Willisford.
Roger, I've got you at what's effectively Scratchy Corner, if I can speak. Right, I'm now going to switch the radios over.
Yep, roger that.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21. Yep, go ahead.
Roger, right, so I'm on my Amstrad CB900. Mine is doing 3 watts, the customer's one is doing 4 watts. Mine's yet to be fully serviced. So we're just listening to you coming back to me, over.
Yeah, roger that. We both are giving me about S4. Yours does sound slightly noisy, which you would expect.
Yeah, it makes, this is also a nice test to show the difference between 3 watts and 4 watts.
Yep, roger that.
Okay, so what I'm getting at the moment, they're both as distorted as each other. And there's a little bit more treble on my one than there is on the customer's one there. That's my observation.
Yeah, okay. Is that it then? Do we need to carry on?
Off you go, so carry on as normal, and the next comparison will be at the 5 mile point, over.
Yep, roger that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now stationary at Willisford.
Roger, got you at what's effectively Scratchy Corner, if I can speak. Right, I'm now going to switch the radios over.
Yep, roger that.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21. Yep, go ahead.
Roger, right, so I'm on my Amstrad CB900. Mine is doing 3 watts, the customer's one is doing 4 watts. Mine's yet to be fully serviced. So we're just listening to you coming back to me, over.
Yeah, roger that. We both are giving me about S4. Yours just sounds slightly noisy, which you would expect.
Yeah, this is also a nice test to show the difference between 3 watts and 4 watts.
Yep, roger that.
Okay, so what I'm getting at the moment, they're both as distorted as each other. And there's a little bit more treble on my one than there is on the customer's one. That's my observation.
Yeah, okay. So then, do we need to carry on?
Right, off you go. Yeah, so carry on as normal, and the next comparison will be at the 5 mile point, over.
Yep, roger that.
Back on the customer's one.
Yep, roger that. Tango 21 just going through Wilsford now, passing the post office on the right.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, now passing the pub, looks like they're having a new roof.
Yeah, Roger, that's right. I was at church and having to park where there weren't builders things.
Roger.
There's a car. Lot of traffic tonight.
So it's gone 7 into.
Right, well, you clear left.
Yep.
Still clear left, yep.
Yes. Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilson level crossing.
now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on the customer's Amstrad 900, he's doing the full 4 watts, doing 1.5 amps to do that, and we're going to switch to low power, which is a fast on these sets, and I think it's 250 milliwatts on this. 54321, there we are going down to low power, now drawing 690 milliamps. That's full power, there we are on full power, over.
Yeah, roger that. I heard you on both, so that's fine.
Right, so I'm now going to switch over to the other set, because I'm only going to bother with the high power on that.
Yep, roger that. Standing by. Yeah, just want to go again. We'll just press record on the other camera again.
Roger, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're now on my set, over.
Yep, roger that. To be honest, I can't really tell any difference.
Yes, so this one's doing 3 watts. I'm drawing 1.2 amps to achieve that. There we go.
Roger that. Are we off again?
We are. Next stop is the lay-by.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on the customer's Amstrad 900, it's doing a full 4 watts, throwing 1.5 amps to do that, and we're going to switch to low power, which is a faff on these sets, and I think it's 250 milliwatts on this. 54321. There we are going down to low power. It's now drawing 690 milliamps. Back to full power. There we are on full power, over.
Yeah, roger that. I heard you on both, so that's fine.
Right, so I'm now going to switch over to the other set, because I'm only going to bother with the high power on that. Tango 21 on the other set.
Yeah, just want to go again with press record on the other camera again.
Roger, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're now on my set, over.
Yep, roger that. Right, can't really tell any difference.
Yes, so this one's doing 3 watts. I'm drawing 1.2 amps to achieve that. There we go.
Roger that. Are we off again?
We are. Next stop is the lay-by.
Roger that.
Well, you can definitely tell the difference just slightly between 3 watts and the 4 watts.
No, not much.
Not much though.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got you on the move.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now at the 5.5 mile point, Rossby level crossing.
Roger, so I'm on the customer set, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now I'll switch over to the my set.
Yep, roger that. Standing by.
Tango 21 on my set, over.
Yep, roger that. Tango 21. Yep, that's fine. You are a little bit noisier on that at this point.
Because again, it's a good demonstration of the difference between 3 watts and 4 watts. Right, I'll switch back to the customer set, and then we'll conclude it from there, over.
Yep, roger that.
Tango 21
Tango 21, roger that. Right, Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Yeah, Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Then we got the petrol price.
Yep, petrol today 155.7, diesel 166.9, as it was the other day, I think.
Today you've got ZX2 Mark with you, and he hasn't taken the microphone, which surprised me.
No, but there you go, he has spoken, so...
I'm on the video somewhere.
He's on the video somewhere, as he just said.
Okay, that's great, thanks very much, and 10-10.
Yeah, roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mississippi, now at the 5.5 mile point, Rossby level crossing.
Roger, so I'm on the customer set, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now I'll switch over to the my set.
Yep, roger that, standing by.
Tango 21 on my set, over.
Yep, roger that, Tango 21, yep, that's fine. Well, it's a little bit noisy on that at this point.
But again, it's a good demonstration of the difference between 3 watts and 4 watts. Right, I'll switch back to the customer set, and now we'll conclude it from there, over.
Yep, roger that.
Tango 21 back on the customer set.
Tango 21, roger that. Tango 21 from Mississippi, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Yeah, Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing, and we got a petrol price.
Petrol today 155.7, diesel 166.9, as it was the other day, I think.
And today you've got ZX2 Mark with you, and he hasn't taken the microphone, which surprised me.
No, there you go, he has spoken, so he's on the video somewhere, as you just said.
Okay, that's great, thanks very much, and 10-10.
Yeah, roger that, 10-10.
Okay, so you'll have seen the way we've edited this differently to usual, this comparison. So the conclusion is they are identical, the receive is identical, and the sensitivity is virtually identical on those two. Bottom set's only doing 3 watts. I haven't finished on the transmitter with that. I just needed it to be working well enough to do this test. We've got the fairy lights to sort out. It's got a blown chip, and this set's doing 4 watts. That set's doing 3 watts. So that's an interesting comparison for power. And then there's no difference in distortion whatsoever, but it's a little bit bassier on this top one than it is on the bottom one. So there we go, that's the conclusion. We'll go over to our base station with the top set, and this demonstration has been all about receive, so we'll just go over on the top one.
Tango 21, testing the customer's Amstrad CB900 from 1981, doing a full 4 watt into our Midland 76900 base station. It's using our standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just pop it on low power. Now low power, which on this set is 250 milliwatts. And there we go. So tomorrow, I think we've got the customer's final set